Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all doing well. So today in this video I will talk about battery saving tips and tricks that you guys can try out on your Galaxy S24 Ultra to solve the battery draining issue after the OneUi 8.5 update. So first of all, you have to make sure that your battery status is normal. So to check that, simply go into the Samsung Members app and run a diagnostic test. From here, tap on this battery status and tap on test again. It will tell you that whether your battery status is normal or you need a repair. And if the status is normal, so you can take some more steps to keep it normal for a longer time. So for that, simply go into the battery option, then tap on battery protection and turn it on. After turning it on, there are two options available. The first one is the basic and the second is maximum. And lastly, we have this new one available after the OneUi 8.5, which is the sleep time protection, and it will charge to the 80% and full charge when you need it in the morning. So moving on to the tips, simply go into the device care, then tap on performance profile and tap on light. It will prioritize the battery life and cooling efficiency and increase your battery timing. Next up, go into the connections and from here tap on more connection settings. Now from here, turn off this nearby device scanning. Next up, go into the battery option in the settings. After tapping on it, you just have to tap on background usage limits and turn this feature on, which is the put unused apps to sleep. Also tap on these three dots on the top right corner and turn on this adaptive battery option as well to extend the battery life. You can also manually put apps to sleep by simply tapping on the sleeping apps, tap on this plus icon over here, and you can put any app to sleep from here, or you can put it into deep sleep as well by simply tapping on the deep sleep option, then tap on this plus icon over here. Next up is display. It can create a high impact on the battery life, so make sure to use it in dark mode if you're easy, as it will consume less battery, and also turn on this adaptive brightness option. Next up, in the screen resolution, you can select it to HD Plus instead of the FHD or QHD Plus. If you have a battery drain problem, so you can use it in HD Plus, or FHD Plus is also good as well. Further, you can turn off this touch sensitivity option as it will consume battery as well. And lastly, in the motion smoothness, you can turn on the standard one, which is the 60 Hz. And if you do not have any problem with the 60 Hz, so you can use it, or you can use the adaptive one, which is 120 Hz. Next up, in the Wi-Fi, tap on these three dots and tap on intelligent Wi-Fi and turn off this feature, which is the switch to better Wi-Fi networks, and it will keep on scanning in the background for the better Wi-Fi connections. And lastly, I would not personally suggest it, but if you can turn on the location services, as it can also save a bit of battery. But after turning off the location, it will turn off all the location services as well. And lastly, make sure that your device is on the latest update, as for now it is on the May 6, 2026 security patch level. Samsung releases these security patch updates every month to make sure that your device security is improved, and if there were some bugs or issues before, that are also fixed with these monthly updates. And that's a wrap for today's video. Let me know your battery timing in the comment section below after the OneUi 8.5 update on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also let me know that if these tricks are working for you or not, and if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.